your journey or your story of building this formula about it is like incredible, right? Because this is pretty much what a lot of it's the holy grail of indie development, right? Everyone is looking forward to, figuring out that niche space product, which probably build with three, four folks at max, and it kind of rakes. And this is the idea of software development, right? That you create so much disproportionate value out of some three, four folks, right? People coming through. So, yours is one of them, right? But if, let's say, now that you have worked on this for a couple of years, you've also seen a good 7, 8 years of analytics, data analytics and stuff, right? Now you're fairly well aware of software development, right? Uh, and you have this new frontier of AI and things changing, landscape evolving, right? If you had the opportunity, right, to build something else, or if you feel there's some other idea that people should be working upon, what would those two, three ideas be? And if
It's funny because like every other day I message one of the developers that I work with and I just like chat them an idea of like something that I just don't have time to build, or I'll like build a feature within the app that maybe I never actually go to production with, but I'll tell them like this should be like a product in itself,
yeah,
not like a feature, and then you just go all in on this thing. So I got a lot of ideas. A lot of them are in the AI space.
okay,
And so um, the AI space is exhausting. I feel like it's like the movie Interstellar. Uh, Inception, I think. Oh, yeah, I think it's Inception, where they like go to a different planet and they're on that planet, and every minute they're on that planet, it's like 7 years on Earth. That's
uh-huh,
kind of what it feels like when you're in the AI space. It's just like ever evolving, and there's not a day that goes by where I'm like, oh my God, what am I doing? I'm so far behind all these advancements in AI, and I'm just like, I don't know. It's a lot of self doubt.
yeah,
So if I were to build something, it probably wouldn't be an AI,
uh-huh,
just to have a sense of ease back.
uh-huh,
But I think that the ideas I keep kind of sharing with the guys I work with kind of focus around AI automation, of course, AI automation around invoicing.
uh-huh, uh-huh,
Invoicing, I feel like everyone has done or like sent an invoice or received an
uh-huh,
invoice,
uh-huh, uh-huh,
and it's a relatively like manual process.
uh-huh,
There's not a lot of tools out there that have kind of streamlined and automated that the process of invoicing, and then also invoices also come in all different shapes and sizes, right? Like I
yeah, yeah,
run ads on Google, I run ads on Facebook. They all contain the same pieces of information, right?
information,
Invoice number, a line item of how much things cost, the billing
uh-huh,
information, but it all looks different. And so I
uh-huh,
think there's a big opportunity to kind of wrangle it all in of all these different invoices and
uh-huh,
basically taking unstructured data,
uh-huh,
making it structured,
uh-huh.
and then kind of streamlining the entire billing process. I probably just gave someone an idea that they're going to run with, but I don't have time for it right now. If you do decide to build it and you're listening to this, feel free to reach out because I've got a lot of ideas.